Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 3 ways how to on the flashlight or off the flashlight at the Huawei Y6 in the version of 2018. By the way, it works also for the Y7. So there are 3 ways, so let me show you the first one. You go to the shortcuts and have then here the icon for the torch or the flashlight. If you on it, it's on, and if you off it, it's off. So very simple. Then you have here on the second page the folder tools, and there's also the icon for flashlight or for the torch. It's the red one here, on and off, on, off later. So you see it is very simple. So there's a third way, as I told you, if the phone is on standby, so just on it one time and you can swipe up this navigation bar and you have also the flashlight on and off. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can have also a look on one of my other videos. Maybe there's something interesting for you. Thank you so much for watching, and maybe until next time. Ciao.